Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some lip swatches. These seem to be the most popular video on my channel, so I'm going to keep doing them. And I kind of like doing them. It's fun putting on lipstick, to be honest. The product I'm going to be using is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. I have 5 shades, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they look like. The first shade I'm starting out with is Abu Dhabi. I think that's how you say it. I don't know if I'm saying this right. So this is the shade right here. It's kind of like a nudish brown color. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lips. I actually kind of like this shade. It's more of like a nude with kind of like a brick tone color to it. It actually goes pretty well with my skin tone. I actually don't mind this color at all. So the next shade I'm doing is the shade California, which is a lot easier to say than that first shade that I just did, which makes this so much easier. So this is the shade California. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on. This is more of like a nudish pinky color. So here's the shade California. I'm actually really liking this. I like this shade better than the first one I did. It's kind of like a natural lip color, but a little bit more like oomph with the pink color. I'm really liking this one. So the next shade I have here is INSTANBUL, and it's more of like a pinky color. It actually looks really cute, so I'm excited to try this one. Some of these names are kind of hard to pronounce, so sorry in advance, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one on. So this color is more of like a pretty pink color. I don't necessarily like this color on me just because it kind of washes out my skin tone. But yeah, it's a cute color, not for me personally, but yeah. So the next shade I have here is Antwerp. I don't know where they come up with these names, but yeah. This is more of like a darker pink shade, but it's kind of got some brightness to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And once again, this shade is Antwerp. It's super bright. I actually kind of like it, but these brightish pink colors really wash out my skin tone. This one's not as bad as the other one, but this one almost has like a tiny reddish tint to it, so it's not as bad as that last shade that I put on. So this one is actually pretty cute. The last and final shade that I have is Vancouver. It's like this very dark purpley color. This would be like a good Halloween color for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that on. So this is the last and final shade. This is Vancouver. This is definitely not a shade I would wear at all, but it's kind of fun to put on these colors. I mean, it could be like a good Halloween color, but other than that, I would not go out of my way to get this color, to be totally honest. I mean, it kind of looks cool with like my makeup and everything, but I still would not wear this. It's too dark and it's too much in my opinion. I definitely wouldn't wear it, but most of like the natural colors in the beginning worked out very well for me. But yeah, this is the last and final shade. I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If there's a specific lip swatch video you want to see, definitely comment that down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one.